In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export DeepSeek chat. Exporting your DeepSeek chat history is a simple way to back up your conversations, audit your prompts and responses, or move records into your personal archive for reference and compliance. Here's exactly how to do it, from start to finish, in just a few clicks. First, open DeepSeek AI. Launch it in your browser or desktop app so you're looking at the main chat interface. If you use multiple workspaces or profiles, make sure you're in the one that contains the conversations you want to keep. A stable internet connection helps the export go smoothly, especially if you have a large history. Next, look to the lower left corner of the screen and click the small icon there. Depending on your version, this may appear as a profile photo, initials, or a general app menu. If your window is narrow and you don't see it, try expanding the window or scrolling down the sidebar. The icon sits at the very bottom. Clicking it opens a compact menu with options related to your account and application preferences. From that menu, go to Settings. This takes you to the control center for your account, where you can adjust preferences for appearance, behavior, and privacy. Settings are grouped by topic, which makes it easier to find exactly what you need without hunting around. Inside Settings, go to Data. The Data section is where DeepSeek centralizes tools for managing your information, including privacy controls and data exports. It's the right place to review what's stored and how to take a clean copy with you. Now, in the Export Data area, click Export. DeepSeek will begin preparing a package of your chat history. You may see a brief notice while the system gathers everything. If you have a lot of conversations, this can take a moment. Just let it run. Keep the app open until DeepSeek confirms the export has started. When it's ready, DeepSeek will guide you through the rest automatically. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Exports can include sensitive content from your chats, so store them securely and avoid sharing them publicly. If the button appears disabled, give the page a refresh and try again. And if you're working on a managed device, check that exports are allowed by your admin policy. That's all there is to it. Open DeepSeek AI, click the lower left icon, go to Settings, head to Data, and click Export. Thanks for watching, and happy archiving.